2023 Lexus ES 300H, code B1476, and this usually happens. Compressor lockup, compressor high load. They say compressor low load as if a low refrigerant charge and the spinning rotation doesn't have enough resistance, so like it's measuring current and it'll set a code, but I've never seen that. I've usually only seen locked up compressors or high load for high excessive current. So we'll find out. I was called on this vehicle and I'm in a location where I'm usually not the one who ever gets called to this area. I'm like 20 miles south of San Francisco in a lower labor rate area, in a lower labor rate neighborhood, in an economy situation where my prices are the highest of anybody around. There is nobody higher than me in this area, and I'm called down here to look at this. I was not given a story other than check, recharge the system, and no more information other than that. They didn't tell me anything about a code. Another thing, what clued me off really fast was, you see it's down to 334 microns. When I hooked up the vacuum pump, it went under 500 microns within less than 2 minutes. And that is unusual. And it was fairly smooth. It had a few burps within 7 minutes. It was a smooth line. As if somebody had this on a vacuum pump, they tried to charge it, they discharged it, they vacuumed it, and they had this vacuumed a few times. It has a new condenser. I see some body shop work under there. I see some welds, clean paint, no dust on the inside. You see dust here, but this is all recent. I wasn't told that this wasn't a body shop accident, but I can see the condenser was placed. So I'm not given the whole story, but I'm told to come out here and charge it up. And I was looking at this line, I go, God, this line is really clean. And I was looking at the sensor, and I go, man, that sensor is really clean. And I see dust everywhere, but on the AC line, unusually clean. Now, if I follow it back, I get to a little dirt back here. And if I follow it back more, you could see maybe some evidence of a little oil. Not much at history. This is water soluble oil, so it does wash off. And yeah, we'll go from there, but we'll see. I was just blown away at how fast I got to a deep micron, and that's always a clue that somebody had this on the vacuum pump a couple times. So I'm curious here. Let's kill this off. Let's see what it does. Oh yeah, you see, check it. There's a lag delay here, but check it out. Let's see how fast it, how slow it's leveling out. Yeah, somebody definitely had this on a vacuum pump. I'm not getting the whole story here. You have to be a detective when you're called out to jobs, especially if you have some suspicions. Certain types of places are kind of, well, let's say, I'm going to be polite and say shady may not be the word, but don't give you all the information. We'll find out when I go to charge this up.